Welcome to Bergen Community College. My name is Jerry Ryan. I have the honor of being the president of the college. We've done this little video in an attempt to kind of intrigue you a little bit about Bergen Community College. We hope at the end that we will have convinced you to become part of our family. Let me start talking first about our academic programs here. We have a multitude of programs focusing in the allied health, business, liberal arts, and technology. The academic program of the college, which is first notch, is also complemented by a terrific student life program. University caliber, really. Every day of the academic semester, there's something to do outside the classroom for students. Special events, special symposiums. We have over 80 clubs and organizations. You can choose a club based on a curriculum issue or a special interest. One of the themes this year that's running through our student life program is volunteerism. Every club and organization will be doing a volunteer project in the community. That's our attempt to try to get people involved back in their communities in civic engagement. It's a really good idea, and that came from the student government. There's also the opportunity to work with us on the continuing education side. If you're not interested in taking a degree with us, maybe you're interested in getting some training, or maybe training your employees. We can do that either here on campus, over the internet, or at your job site. So think about that. In addition to having a great program and a great staff, the institution is also proud of the fact that we're affordable. We're lucky in that we're subsidized by Bergen County first and the state of New Jersey so that our tuition is low. The college has all the right state and federal aid programs. We do have loans, and we have a private foundation that gives private scholarships as well. So don't let costs get in the way. Come to Bergen regardless, and we'll work out a way for you to come to school. The last piece of the college I want to talk about is the most important piece, which is the students. We're a large institution. In fact, we're the largest community college in the state of New Jersey. But we have a real small college feel. Our classes are small, our student life program is very aggressive, people really get involved, and you get involved in clubs or athletics or special events. It really gives you a small college feel. And the students in the classroom are really the best part of the educational process. You won't just see people here from Bergen County, although there's lots of diversity from Bergen. We draw from the whole region, and we have over 1,000 students from 100 countries that add a real value to the discussion in the classroom. So think about Bergen Community College. We'd love to have you be part of our future. Thank you.